course, we're ahead of the curve. Hear the hits of tomorrow. Today. The future is now.
Ronnie Q is back again on KBOT 104.2 with my weekly rundown of the biggest things to do in Vegas. Ronnie's rules. Ronnie's rule number 1: wine coolers. Sure, no one drinks them, but that's what makes it cool. Ronnie's rule number 2: drive west on Highway 9 until you see the flashing lights pull over. Pay the cop $5. He'll escort you down the main road. Then get ready to watch the best animal sacrifice of your life. That being said, I have to point out that animal sacrifices are so 4 days ago. When I can. Ronnie's rule number 3: if you need to listen to my rules to know what to do with yourself, then dude, you kinda suck. Find your own path. Listen in next week for the next set of Ronnie's rules. Talk to you after this. You're experiencing KWAT 104.2 with Ronnie Q. Prepare yourself.
You haven't changed in decades, so why should your music? Where the classic vibes stay live. Classic vibes.
Hello, Vegas. It's me again, Barry Jones. Not sure if you felt that little shake-up earlier, but geologists have confirmed that a small quake rocked Lone Mountain earlier today. As longtime listeners know, I am quite convinced that an ancient evil, the likes of which the world has never known, is sleeping directly beneath us and...
Salute 1-2.
Packs of pigs. Packs of pigs. The Go Factory.
92.2.
Alright, Las Vegas, this is 92.2 and this is Skrillex with Bangarang.
Shout to all my boss boys. Shout to all my boss boys. We rowdy. Shout to all my boss boys. Shout to all my boss boys. We rowdy. Shout to all my boss boys. Shout to all my boss boys. We rowdy. Shout to all my boss boys. Shout